Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. Discord is giving away 700 plus 200 orbs. How much is that? 1,600 orbs in total. Yes, you heard that right. I will show you how to claim each one of them without spending your time watching the videos. Do you see that video player? Turn it on and slide the frame to the end of the video. Your quest will show 99% complete. That's alright. Now let's move to the next quest. Let's do the same thing for this too. You will see the green circle filled 99%. Now, let's do the same for Halloween quest and drag the frame to the last part. Now, since it is a small video, you can easily claim the orbs. Now to claim the other orbs, just refresh your Discord page. Now go back to the quest. And drag the frame again to the last, and this should do it. Now, let's do it for the third video as well. Now remember, if the quest is not getting at 100% like this one even after dragging the frame of the video, then do this trick. First, drag the frame to the middle of the video and then skip to the last part instead of skipping it directly, and there we have it. We got our 20,000 orbs since I haven't spent a single one yet. This was done on MacBook, I don't know how to do it on Windows. Anyway, join my Discord server if you want the links of the quest, and if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button.